Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Backstrom and I'm the Unit Coordinator for Introduction to Law. I'd like to take the opportunity to welcome you to the unit. I hope the semester is a really interesting one for you and that you learn lots about the law during the semester. I'd like to take the time just to point out to you that you should familiarise yourself with our Blackboard site, that you should find all of the information that you need available on that Blackboard site. You'll find a copy of our study guide and a schedule of work in the Learning Resources folder. Could you please make sure that you review this material very carefully before we commence the semester? There are 3 assessment items during the semester. There's a reflective journal activity at the beginning where we go off to the court and review our experience in the court. The second assessment item is a problem-solving assignment. You'll be required to do this and hand it in by week 10. There's a multiple choice exam, and that exam is held in the exam block at the end of semester. We have classes each week, although in week 3 we go off to the court rather than have our class in the usual time. There isn't a separate tutorial for the unit. While the classes are actually recorded and available to you online, I always think it's great if you can attend in person, and I'd encourage you to do that. The first class will actually take place in week 1, and I'd encourage you to turn up on that day. Please read over the material for weeks 1 and 2. You'll find that in your study guide, and that's the material that I'll be working through in week 1. We'll commence in week 1, and then in week 2 we have our law librarian coming along to help us with some of the activities planned for that week. So if you could have a look at that material, I'd be very grateful, and I'll see you in week 1. Bye for now.